Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your screenshot picture. So if you press the PrtScn button on your laptop, you can take a picture just like this. And if you go to the File Explorer right here, and then open this up, we can find the location. Now it could be in two different locations, depending on if you have OneDrive installed or not. So if we go to OneDrive, you can see my name right here. This is OneDrive. And then we want to go over to pictures, and then we can go to screenshots, and we can see all the different screenshots for our pictures in here. And I could probably delete all these because it's just generic stuff that I've done. So I can just highlight everything, and I can't remember the highlight everything button, but just go through here and delete everything. Now it could be in a different location. It could be under this PC, Windows C drive, go to users, and then go to your name under here. And it could be under the pictures folder in here if you have in here. So if you don't have OneDrive on your computer, it's probably under your pictures folder under your name. So check this out. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.